Graphtec, the story. You live in a world with the story written by the objects that surround you. You are part of a daily scenario of business, designed commercial spaces, totems, eye-catching shelves, and bright p.o.s.ms. Your story is also written by us. Graphtec has produced for 20 years personalized commercial furniture and signage that tells the story of business excellence as a leader in the Romanian market. We have made over 40,000 customized, unique products that we have spread across 25 countries. You have certainly charged your phone to one of our chargers, bought cigarettes from our shelves, fueled your car at the gas stations. You felt good at a bar or a store created by Graphtec. Surely your business now needs us. It needs to set up a space of success that we can create and produce according to the latest trends. Graphtec, the Storytellers. We are a team of 120 specialists in design, engineering, and production. A team of great creative and conceptual power that personalizes any idea you can imagine for your business furniture. Graphtec tells the story of successful businesses with a team of craftsmen and engineers that have 20 years of experience in the production of commercial furniture and p.o.s.m. Whether it needs to be handmade or C.N.C. laser, we adapt to any situation to make the best solution for your need. We always use the latest production materials and technologies that can meet any customization needs of your brand. Metal, wood, plastic or glass, powder coating, laser cutting, metal bending, C.N.C. milling. Any design, any material, any technology is needed to produce your bold business ideas with which you want to conquer the world. Graphtec, our furniture for your successful business future. Graphtec, furniture fits future.